So now we're trying the Vietnamese pepper. We don't know if it's like got a specific name. I'm sure it does in Vietnam. Probably one of their most common ones they like to use in cooking. And I've eaten a lot of Vietnamese cuisine when I lived in Atlanta, Georgia, in the U.S. There's a bunch of pho restaurants and so forth. A lot of Vietnamese culture around the area. Buford Highway. Um, and you see these, it's your typical what you think of as far as I've seen in their cuisine. But like I said, we don't know the name. There's no info out there that we can find on just how hot it is, like on the Scoville scale. So we're not sure what to expect, but I do know they like it spicy, so guess we'll see.
Okay.
Fruity. Yep. Hot. I knew when I tasted that fruitiness that the heat was gonna come.
It tasted good, like a red, I don't know what it's called in English, but spets paprika.
Mm-hmm. The pointy grilling peppers, or the hot ones.
But these tasted like the normal ones also. It's the normal long red peppers at first.
Ooh, now it's really burning on the side of my tongue.
Mm.
I'm wondering if it's about up there with, what's it called again? The orange ones. Scotch bonnet.
I don't know. It's not that hot for me.
See my nose. Look, I don't know how we're having different. My nose so far has not run on any pepper. Is running now. Excuse me. And I don't have any paper.
Yeah. But
Yeah, look,
you want that now?
yes, because my eyes are watering too. Oh, sorry. It's watering on the side where my tongue burns.
It didn't do anything to me.
I must have got a patch of something in there. Yeah, that was okay. Something finally made me cry or made my nose run. It was really, really good. Good flavor.
But at first, when I cut the chili to get the seeds, then I licked my fingers and then it was really hot. And I had mucus. But
I feel it really warm in my tummy. Yeah, that was hot. I don't know where that is on the scale, but to me that one was hot. Like really hot.
I don't know if it's 40,000.
I don't know, mine, I would rate it higher on the piece that I crunched anyway. Just because it's still burning too. Not quite going away yet. It's hot. And like I said, nothing so far has really made my eye run or my nose. Water does help. So yeah, if any of you guys know how hot the Vietnamese pepper is supposed to be, let me know. It's really good though. I would eat it for sure in soups and other stuff. Chili oil. I'd make chili oil. So,
Okay.
yep. Bye.